Here's one more effect of light bending due to refraction. Look at these arrows. One is horizontal, the other is vertical. The horizontal one is directed from left to right as you look at it, and the vertical one is from bottom to top. Also note the color pattern. Note where blue is and where orange is. And now watch, when I keep this container in between the arrows and the camera, do you see any difference? Nothing has changed, right? It looks the same without the container and with the container. And now you watch. What do you see there? Look again. Look at the orientation of the arrows. The horizontal arrow is inverted laterally. Also look at the color pattern of the vertical arrow. Look where the orange is, it's on the right side as you look at it, and blue is on the left side. But now you watch. So what has happened here is the image is flipped horizontally. Lateral inversion has taken place. What's the difference now? Earlier the container was empty and now I've filled it with water. So what's happening here is refraction again. As the light travels from arrow through air into the water and back into air, and the curvature of this container on both sides. This container is cylindrical. The refraction part due to water and the curvature gives this effect of reversing the direction of the arrows. Also, if you note, the arrows look slightly bigger. Look at that and look at that. You can magnify the arrows using this water in the container. In fact, the curvature of the container and water inside both together are acting like a biconvex lens. And the effect involved here is refraction. If I take it very close to the arrows, watch what happens. Look and look. And there. Now the directions are just the same, but the image is magnified. So for the lateral inversion to occur, the container has to be at certain distance from the object. That is those two arrows. Look at that. Let me tilt this container to 90 degrees and look. Now what do you see? The image is now vertically flipped. And now watch the colors of the horizontal arrow. Look at that. Blue is on top, orange below. And look here now. Orange has gone up and blue below that. Here the vertical inversion has happened. Again, refraction due to water. But now the curvature is like this. Earlier the curvature of the container was like this. Now it is like this. Again, the water and the curvature of the container forms a biconvex lens.